I've made over 2.6 million naira from this free app. I've gone on to cash out 74,000. I mean, I've transferred the 74,000 to my bank account and withdrawn the money. And I have a pending payment of 2.5 million. Like this free app has made me a millionaire. So in this video, I want to show you 2 free apps that pay me every single day. I mean, on a daily basis, these 2 apps pay me money. This is something you can do as soon as you're done watching this video. I'm going to show you exactly what the apps are. 3 different ways these apps pay me. I mean, they pay me daily, and how you can actually get started. I will show you how to download the app and start using them on your mobile phone right now. If you're looking to start making money online, these 2 apps are a must-have for you. So let's get into it. Hello and welcome back to my channel. On this channel, we talk about making money, saving money, and investing money. So if you're looking to make money, level up your finances, you need to go on and subscribe to this channel because I have a lot in store for you. Let's get into it. So first, I am going to start with my millionaire app, Optimus by AfriVest. Have a look at this. I've cashed out 74,000 naira so far, and I have 2.5 million naira pending. The moment these guys activate their account, I have 2.5 million naira sent to me for doing almost nothing, guys. So I got to know about this app some months back. Someone I trust so much talked about it. I'm like, okay, why don't you try it? That was how I downloaded the app, and in 48 hours, I made over 50,000 naira. I'm going to show you how I made the money from here. But here's the first thing. There are 3 different ways I make money daily from this app. Now, I'm not saying 3 ways you can make money or you may or may not make money. No, I'm saying 3 ways I make money daily from this app. And this is something anybody can do. If you follow the guide I'm about to show you, in the next 48 hours, you will start making money too, so long as you're able to put in the work. Now, you may say it's not about seeing the money in your dashboard. Like other apps will show you a lot of money you've earned in the dashboard. Can you withdraw this money? And the answer is yes. Can you see my withdrawals? So I have actually withdrawn over 200,000 naira from this app. So when I say this free app is legit, I have tested it and proven it. I have gone on to withdraw several times from this app, and it takes less than 1 minute to have the money move from your Optimus app to your bank account. Then you go on to cash out the money. Let me show you 3 different ways I make money daily. 3 different ways you can make money daily from Optimus. The first one is daily interest. When you save money on this app on a daily basis, the app pays you interest. Depending on how much you have in your account, you can earn 50, 100, 300, 1,000 naira on a daily basis. Look at this now. I mean, look at this. Look at my today's interest. No traditional bank pays you for saving money. They would rather debit you for having money in their bank account. Now, when we talk about savings and earning interest on your savings, you don't just save in naira. You can actually save and earn interest in dollars. I mean, look at this. So you can put some dollars in your Optimus app right now, and after some time, you begin to earn interest in dollars. Because if you save in dollars, your interest rate is also in dollars. Now, the second amazing way I make money from this app on a daily basis is this one here. I earn at least 1,000 naira every single day on this app. There are days I make 3,000, 4,000, depending on the traffic. And that's how I'm able to earn 2.6 million naira, as you can see here, from this. So this method is referral. When people sign up on this app, create their free account, update their account, and have at least 2,000 naira saved on their account, Optimus will send me 1,000 naira. This is one of the sweetest way of making money. Now you are wondering, it's not about getting the 1,000 naira daily, as you can see it here, but the question is, can you really withdraw this money? And the answer is yes. You see this 74,000 naira you are seeing here, I've withdrawn all of them. Because I was also skeptical. What if this referral bonus doesn't really pay? They are just putting the figures there and you're not able to cash out. And that's why every time I want to withdraw, I will go to my referral bonus, I look at how much I have there, I will withdraw all of them. Let it be that all my referral money actually paid me. That's how I've been able to catch over 74,000 naira from this free app without doing anything other than just talking about it. I'm going to show you how you can actually make at least 1,000 naira daily from this Optimus. The third way we make money from Optimus is the big fish, and that's because this one allows you to earn as much as you want in USD. I mean, if your goal has always been to earn a reasonable amount of money every single month in USD, this might be all you've been looking for. So this one is investment. With this particular one, you can actually invest in naira or in dollars, and then you earn percentage interest from it every single month. So there are two types of investment we do here. We have mutual funds. We also have US stock. If you are just somebody that has been looking to invest in the US stock and you don't know a reliable place to do it, or even a simple way you can do it yourself, this will wow you. Look at this. I mean, you can literally invest in US stocks, you can literally buy Amazon stocks and the rest of these big companies, as you can see them here, with few clicks of buttons. You don't need to pay any experts to help you do it. No. These are experts that are here already getting the work done without any special professional payment. And the good thing is that you're also going to be able to manage it, follow through as it's going, rising or falling. You're going to see everything here done. Now, let's explore them. If you want to save money and earn interest on your savings, all you need is to come over here and click on this one that says add money, and you're going to go on to deposit money. That's after you've created your account and updated it. The second one is referral. If you want to start earning from your referral, let me show you exactly how to do it. Just come over here to the settings and click on this, select referral, and then it's going to bring you to this place. So as you can see, I have been paid over 74,000 naira and 2.5 million naira pending payment, almost 2.6 million naira. So what you need to do to start earning at least 1,000 naira from this app on a daily basis is to copy your referral link like this. You can see that I've copied it, and then you go on to send it to family and friends and even people that are following you online. Anyone that creates account using this your referral link, they go on to update their profile, save at least 2,000 on their account. You'll be sent 1,000 naira immediately. As soon as you get this 1,000 naira, you can actually go on immediately and withdraw it. I mean, cash out, 0 questions asked. Can you see this? You can see 1,000 naira dropping every single day. Then finally, if you want to invest, you just need to come over here and click on invest, and then it's going to open to this. You can see two different investments you can make here. We have mutual funds and we have US stocks. Say for example, you want to invest in mutual funds. You click on mutual funds and it's going to bring you to this place. Just read and agree to the investment rules. What's more interesting is that you can actually buy mutual funds in naira or even in dollars. You can see every details about these mutual funds, like every information you need to know about it is contained here. As soon as you're done going through this and you're impressed with what you see, you want to invest, a unit price for this is 585 naira. So you can buy as many units as you want. Say for example, you want to do 20,000, so I'm going to do 20,000. And that means I'm able to get 34 units at this amount. You click on continue, then you go on to fund your account. Go on and buy this. That's how easy it is to buy this. Remember to do your due diligence before you start investing. Moving on to the second app that pays me every single day. This app is something you're probably using, but I bet you didn't know about this particular strategy I'm about to share with you, because this one pays me every single day. And this app is OPay. Are you aware that OPay pays people daily interest? Have a look at this. Can you see my daily interest calendar? Depending on how much you have on your OPay, you can earn as high as 50, 100, 200, 300, 1,000 naira daily interest. Guys, I didn't know about this until recently, and when I discovered, I had to turn on auto save, and from that day, every single day, OPay pays me daily interest for little money I have here, and I have been earning this kind of money. I need to confess, I am considering moving a reasonable sum of money to my OPay. How does OPay pays me interest every single day? OWealth. So OPay has this OWealth where you can actually move funds in your OPay account to, and then you have daily interest paid to your money. Based on how much you have on the app, you earn as much as 50, 100, 200 on the app. Now, when I discovered it, I turn on auto save. That means every time money enters my OPay account, it moves to the OWealth. You can withdraw, you can deposit, you can do anything you want to do with that money in your OWealth. So if you have money in your OPay account and you do not activate OWealth, you have 0 interest paid. If you activate the OWealth, you get interest on a daily basis. And the interest is as high as 15% per annum. Let me break it down. Say for example, you have 100,000 naira in your OPay right now, and in the next 1 year you do not touch it. In the next 1 year, you have 115,000 naira in your account. These free apps are very innovative and they are making money online easier for us. and I absolutely love them. Now, another way you can make money from OPay is referral. Are you aware that OPay pays as high as 5,000 naira for every referral you do? Anyway, I think how much they pay you per referral depends on your activity so far, how much you have in your account and all of that. So this is mine. You see that I can earn as high as 5,800 naira every time I get someone to join OPay. Depends on your activity so far. You can earn 400, 500, 600. So every time you get someone to create account and finish up the setup, this is how much you're going to earn at the end of the day. Guys, this is amazing. So if you're looking for easy way to make money without doing a lot, these two free apps are something you need to check out. So it is time to make money doing what you love. Go on and hit that subscribe button. Let's do this together.